Have you ever wondered why some people always seem to carry a positive energy, no matter the challenges they face? They seem unstoppable, glowing with confidence and happiness. What if I told you that this isn't magic, it's science? Today, we're diving deep into the science behind a positive mindset and, more importantly, how you can cultivate it in your own life. Number 1, the science of positivity. Positive thinking is more than just a feel-good philosophy. Studies show that our brain is wired to respond to our thoughts, shaping our emotions and actions. When we think positively, the brain's reward system gets activated, releasing feel-good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. This isn't just about being happy in the moment. Regular positive thinking strengthens neural pathways in your brain, making optimism a habit rather than an effort. It's like training a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it gets. Experts also highlight that positivity can lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, reducing anxiety and improving overall mental health. Simply put, a positive mindset is your brain's natural superpower. Number 2, the ripple effects of positivity. A positive mindset doesn't just affect you, it influences those around you. Studies revealed that positivity can boost your immune system, improve your cardiovascular health, and even increase your lifespan. In the workplace, positivity fosters collaboration and innovation. People are naturally drawn to optimistic individuals, making it easier to build strong relationships and achieve team success. Even in personal life, positive people tend to have deeper, more meaningful connections. Their ability to look on the bright side makes them more resilient during conflicts, leading to healthier and lasting relationships. Number 3, how to cultivate a positive mindset. Let's talk about the steps you can take to build a positive mindset. The first step is practicing gratitude. Each morning, write down 3 things you're thankful for. This simple act trains your brain to focus on the good rather than dwelling on the bad. Next is mindfulness. Take time each day to meditate or practice deep breathing. These activities calm your mind, helping you stay present and less reactive to stress. Another powerful tool is visualization. Picture yourself achieving your goals, feeling the joy and pride of success. This technique primes your brain for positive action and determination. Lastly, surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you, and don't hesitate to step away from negativity when needed. Number 4, facing challenges with positivity. Let's be real, life isn't always easy, and staying positive during tough times can feel impossible. But remember, positivity doesn't mean ignoring your problems. It means facing them with hope and resilience. Start by reframing your thoughts. Instead of seeing failures as setbacks, view them as lessons. Each obstacle is an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. Also, don't hesitate to seek support. Talking to friends, family, or a professional can help you process emotions and find solutions. A positive mindset isn't something you achieve overnight, it's a journey. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your life transforms in ways you never imagined. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's spread the power of positivity together.